We all know how important academic language is, so this is why this flip chart is going to be the perfect addition to your classroom. This is our math vocabulary flip chart. Let's take a look inside. This flip chart is laminated so you can use a dry erase marker throughout. As you can see, it not only has the academic math words, but it also has a pictorial representation which helps students, especially ELL students. There's a table of contents, and this flip chart has 40 pages. Each colored border tells you what topic you're in. So this is blue, which is shapes. And then we have counting and cardinality, which is orange. And as you can see, as you go through this flip chart, there's lots of information that the kids can not only use, but read. And it gives them a great representation of what each word means. This is a great tool to have in your math toolbox.